Yung gagawin natin ngayon ay chicken popcorn. Chicken popcorn siya kahit wala siyang corn dahil ang small pieces of chicken is coated in a batter and fried to puff. Kaya para siyang popcorn. Pero pag hinahin mo, chicken pala. Kaya yan ang gagawin natin today.
Simpol, luto na,
And sisimulan natin, meron tayong pieces of chicken. So, pinaghalo ko dito, chicken breast fillet, at meron din akong chicken leg quarter fillet. Bakit? Para may konti akong meatiness, at meron din akong fatty para medyo balance yung kinakain ko. Hindi lang puro taba or hindi lang puro meat. So, I will just simply season with salt. Meron akong salt dito, around half a teaspoon. Yung chicken ko dito is around half a kilo of chicken. Yan. I have 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. I'm using Silver Swan Soy Sauce. Yan. Just to give it a nice color. So, I'm going to use all-purpose seasoning. So, around 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning granules. Yan. And to add more spice to my chicken popcorn, lalagyan ko ng garlic powder. Around a teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or chili powder. Kung ayaw mo ng maanghang, you just use sweet paprika powder. Yan. And oregano. So, I have fine ground oregano. I just add it. And I add half a teaspoon of finely ground black pepper. And a teaspoon of Silver Swan Vinegar. Yan. My marinade is complete. So, I will just leave these to marinate for around 15 to 30 minutes before I continue with the recipe. After marinating it for around 15 minutes, I will prepare my next step. So, I have my breading mix, which I will use flour. This is 3/4 cups of flour. I will add 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, and again, more chili powder. Yan. I'll just combine that. I will add half a teaspoon of baking powder. Combine everything properly and transfer it into so it will be easy for me to bread my chicken. I'll heat up the pan. Yan. So it will come up very quickly. Here I have 1 egg and I just put a little bit of water, around 1 tablespoon of water to dilute my egg. And I can also season my egg with a little bit of salt and pepper. And I will just bread my chicken pieces. Yan. So, yung gagawin natin ngayon is parang double coating. So, flour, egg, flour. Yun ang gagawin natin na sistema sa ating chicken popcorn. And we dip it in the egg para medyo kumapal yung ating breading. So, paulit-ulit lang natin siya gagawin. And we fry. Yan. Then, we drop it into the hot oil. Ito na yung first batch natin ng chicken popcorn. Tingnan mo, sobrang ganda. Medyo puffed up yung ating breading. And we're done with our last few pieces of our chicken popcorn. Yan, mainit-init pa siya lahat. And for chili heads out there, gagawin nating mas spicy pa yung ating chicken. Gumawa ako dito ng chili salt. It's just a mixture of fine salt and chili powder, no? Ito lang siya. And ililipat ko ang aking chicken popcorn sa isang bowl. And I just sprinkle my chili salt. Yan. So, pop of flavor. Yan. Toss lang natin siya. And we're ready to plate. And, of course, it won't be complete without our gravy. Meron tayong gravy recipe. Don't forget about it. Nasa YouTube and Facebook natin yan. And here it is. Ready to dig in, guys. Try this at home. Kayang-kaya nyo na yan kasi gumaling na kayo sa papanood ng Simpol. Chicken popcorn a la Hotshots. Simpol! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumaming ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.